Hey everyone, just a quick heads up. Everything you see in this vlog is based on my personal experience and opinions. It's meant for entertainment and informational purposes only. I'm not a professional, so always do your own research or talk to an expert if you need advice. Thanks for watching and enjoy the video.
Alright, good morning guys. On the way na kami ngayon sa Hot Wheels Convention, Okada, Manila. It was an invitation from Sir Erwin Abu. So, kasama buong family. Titingnan natin kung ano yung mga offer na meron doon sa Hot Wheels. And of course, support na rin kay Sir Erwin Abu sa kanyang business. So, si Sir Erwin Abu is kapwa practical shooter na bibenta ng mga diecast. So support lang, support any, support other hobbies naman din. Okay, so yun guys, nasa parking na tayo. So on the way sa entrance na going to the convention. Then ayun, makikita nyo na mga Hot Wheels and some motor cars. Alright, see you in the next clips. Guys, we're now here with Sir Erwin's stall. So, ayan po, mga Hot Wheels niya. Wings Toy Collections. Tama ba? Wings Toy Collections. Yeah, Wings Collections and hobbies. So, ayan, support natin yung tropa. From practical shooting and diecast, support pa rin tayo sa Paragata. So ito po guys yung may kasalanan ng lahat-lahat ng doodle. This is Mr. Erwin Abu. So kaya po ako nandito dahil sa kanya.
Thank you Sir Bob sa support.
Support lang tayo ng mga kapwa airsofter. Practical shooting all the way.
Kalaban kita sa open.
So makikita itong video, lahat ng kalokohan namin sa ilalabas ng video.
Makita mo naman yung ano natin.
Mga items,
Install ko yan.
You know?
Wings Toy Collection. Sa mga hindi sa akin nakakakilala. Kasi kilala ko Erwin lang eh.
Erwin lang eh. Tsaka Wings Practical Shooting.
Yun, Wings Airsoft Practical Shooting.
Ngayon, meron na
Si Wings Airsoft, si Wings Toy, isa lang yan.
Iisa lang po yan. Dapat nagpuntahan kayo dito. Daming discount.
Para mabudol kayo.
Yes.
Thank you Sir Bob. Sobra. Solid. Thank you.
prices, not bad. Affordable naman yung mga Hot Wheels and the other diecast. And thank you of course kay Sir Erwin Abu of Wenks